welcome back to another vlog. Literally just had acting class. This is the outfit I was wearing. Yeah, because you can only see the top half for self-tapes and stuff. So I was just wearing this. Now I have literal pit stains because the ring light's on you and you're like, oh my god. And then I just got so nervous. I need to change. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I feel like this is always a point in my vlog where I have to change my outfit. Like, how many times do I change a day? A concerning amount, actually. Or should I just do like a Aritzia cropped crew neck? Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay, ready? Outfit transition. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did that work? I feel a lot more put together. And also, a little secret, last night I tanned my stomach. Like, I literally just tanned my stomach and my back. Because say you're wearing a cropped shirt, if your face is all tan and your stomach is not, it's like, okay, that's fake. She's a phony. But now I'm only a phony from here down. So no one can tell me that. Also, I'm gonna try my Marc Jacobs perfume. I still can't believe they sent this to me. And then, is that what you do? That's what I do to put perfume. Oh, I literally ate it. So the plan for today, it's not a big plan, but I want to go get a package that I know is here because I just got the notification that is delivered. Also, if you don't use the shop app, use it. This is not sponsored whatsoever. Maybe it should be, but it tracks all of your packages automatically from your email. If it finds a tracking number in your email from like a confirmation email, sometimes you can even track it on the map. It comes in clutch when you order a lot of stuff online, like me. Am I talking really fast? I feel like I'm talking really fast because I don't have any breath left. Today's schedule is picking up that package. Second thing, getting the decor and putting it in my place. Oh, I'm getting a call. Hi.
Oh, hi, vlog.
That happens a lot. Literally just whenever I pull out the camera, someone calls me. Do you have those friends that just like call you out of the blue when they're bored? Okay, so this is what happens. It's like POV, you're me. I'm the person who's calling you. And they call you and they're like, oh, hey. And then they just don't talk and you're like, okay, was there a reason? Like, what was the reason? I am late, I am late, I am late. I've literally just been making TikToks, acting TikToks and stuff. They take so long to film because I'm just such a perfectionist. And then I'm like, do I even like it? Or should this be one for the drafts, you know? We're gonna go to my sister's house. I just have to drop off some stuff and then I'm gonna go pick up my package. So, yay. I decided to double mask it. I'm wearing my Aritzia one and then this one because I live in a COVID hotspot. So definitely double masking and hand sanitizing literally every single day. Bye! Yeah, I just had to drop some like cushions and stuff off. She also gave me this like smoothie pack thing. These are things where you put it in water or something and you don't even need a blender. It just kind of like mixes in with the water and it creates a smoothie. Chemistry vibes. Oh, I have right of way. I didn't even know that. I hate when you have to like decide whether you're gonna get a fit or not and it's never a yes. I just stay on the side because if I scratch my car, I actually do have a dent on my car. Someone backed into my car and now there's like a permanent dent on the door. And it was like a week after I got my car. It was really cute. It's happy day. So I went downstairs and I was like, yo, I need my packages. And then he was like, oh, I have so many packages for you. And I was like, yeah. The first two things that I got is some decor. These are little poofs. I really wanted just to like cozy up my living room a bit. I wanted it to be glam, feminine, structured. I really love that style of stuff, but it needs some softness. It needs some roundness. I got these from Yisk, but I got two of them. Let's try them out. Oh my god, that's so cute. Because then if we ever need like extra seating, people could sit there. When I eventually have people over, I think that is so cute. The color of them is really, really nice. It's like a mix between that pillow and that chair. But oh my gosh, I finally got my safety keychain that I've been talking about for so long. Oh my god, I just remembered if you pull it out, it starts the alarm and I literally already almost pulled it out. It comes with two, so I'm probably gonna like give one to my sister or my friends or something. It says the alarm time is 90 minutes. A light time is 150 minutes. There's an LED flashlight right here. So you press this SOS button twice for it to go meh meh. Oh, that's cute. So look at that. Okay, I'm gonna link this down below, and I've also added them to my storefront, but then it comes with a charger, so it says to charge before the first use. Next up, I have this keychain. This is my current keychain. I was really obsessed with it just until I had to start fitting it into bags and stuff, and this thing that's just hard that never collapses isn't doing it for me anymore. So I got this one on Etsy. I was looking for an LV inspired keychain. It's a lot smaller and it's a lot better, and it also had gold finishes on it, and I really like that. Oh, that's so cute! Next up, I have an order from Every Jewels. Guys, I gave in. I've been seeing so many ads on Instagram for Every Jewels, and I'm like, hey, I just need to, because fun fact, the only gold rings that I have are from my collection with Starlight, because those are all just like minimal bands, which you can wear every single day. Link down below if you want to buy, but I don't have any like really thicker ones. This was also like kind of expensive. It came to like $64 for 3, but I asked my friend who wears Every all the time, and she said it doesn't tarnish, only if you just don't wear it in the shower and like don't wear it swimming. But I got this one. Just no smiley face on it. And it actually fits. But if you have the same finger thickness than I do, you got a size 6. So then I also got this one. Okay, this one is a little like twist thing. It's really minimal. I really like that. The last one that I got, honestly, this is the cutest ring I've ever seen. It's like a bunch of little smiley faces. Like looking down at my finger just made my day. That's so cute. I feel really bougie now. But speaking of new jewelry, we got a new jewelry stand. Yeah, this actually came in perfect timing because my jewelry stand that I have right now is filling up. So let's reorganize my jewelry. It's also 5:44 and the sun isn't down yet. So my mood is really good. This is a current station. This one is brushed gold and this one is like shiny gold. I don't know if it looks weird, but like I'm not gonna return it. So this one, I have all of my Starlight collection. So I have the Believe, Create, Dream, and Grateful in gold here, and then I have in silver right here. And then the second one, I have all of my chokers. So this one's my chokers, and then this one's Starlight, and then this is just all of the random bracelets and earrings that I have. This is my ring tray, and this one I have longer necklaces back here. This is like medium necklaces, like all silver and gold, and then these are like odd chokers that are either colored or rhinestoned-y and stuff. Down here I have my bigger earrings, so these are like dangly ones, and then I have my silver dangly ones. I feel like this area just looks really cool now. Comment down below if you prefer gold or silver jewelry. I want to know. So it's dinner time, and the thing that's been getting me all day is that my blood sugars are riding high. Like they're just riding high. They're not like high, but they're like higher than normal. And it's probably because I'm gonna be getting my period soon. It's just really annoying because I've been eating right. I've been taking insulin early. I've been doing everything right. And it's just like nothing is working. And I just feel so insulin resistant. I feel like I'll eat a grape and then I'll be like 57 in Canadian numbers. I don't know how that converts to like American numbers, but like 57, you would be dead. So tonight I'm gonna have a really fat-free dinner so that my insulin can get absorbed. Comment down below if you have this same like period hormonal time where you literally just want to not hurt my hand. Ow, that actually hurt. I am going to have this salad that I picked up from the grocery store when I went to my parents' house. It's called the Ninja Salad by Bio Raw. It has cabbage, romaine, bok choy, peppers, collard greens, carrots, tomato, marinated tempeh, and black sesame seeds. This looks so divine. I'm going to eat this so I can have a little bit of fiber in my system so that when I have my carbs for dinner, they'll go in much slower. And I'm actually not gonna use the dressing that it came with because this is like full of oil. I used just some balsamic vinegar, and then I'm also having one of these rice ramen things. I'm gonna cook this in some vegetable broth and see if I make it right. It's like take one of those packs and you just like cook it in like whatever spices you want. What she looks like. Gluten-free ramen. Let's see how she tastes. I think I just remembered you're supposed to put spices in it. I didn't do that. I just put vegetable broth in it. Let's taste it. It's gonna be so hot. my gosh, that is good. Oh, I definitely 100% recommend. My parents got these ramen things. They bought this for me at Costco. Head to your local Costco. This is so good. I feel like the lighting is so yellow. This is why I don't vlog at night. Because then I'm like, but there's like no way to change that because I can't really change those bulbs. But therefore, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Brothers, I'm going insane. I'm gonna write my to-do list for tomorrow and just kind of like plan out my day. Okay, so I have really fun homework from acting. Since I'm doing a ton of comedy scenes, and I kind of wanted to talk a bit about this because comedy is so complex. There are literally people who study like 5 years just to really understand how to do comedy well. There is just so much with like rhythm and pauses and the timing, the expression and having the thought on the line. I'm really excited to be able to like understand all of them and have it become second nature so I can like really dive into the character more, because right now I'm still focusing on like the rhythm and the speed. It just seems so fast when I'm doing it, but in reality I'm talking very slow for regular comedy. It's so crazy how much I'm learning. But I have 2 comedy scenes I'm working on right now. One is a monologue. My homework is basically to watch really good comedy. So that's like Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, Seinfeld, Friends, Step Brothers, just a bunch of those, and really analyzing them, seeing what techniques they're using in comedy. And sometimes things happen where they're not actually following the rules of comedy and it actually works so much better. And there's just like so much to learn. So it's kind of overwhelming and my perfectionist is like kind of tweaking right now. But I'm really just trying to take it slow and absorb all the information. I don't have to be perfect at the start. Gotta keep telling myself that. But I'm really just gonna like research, which is literally watching TV. That's the best homework I've ever gotten. I'm going to be watching some Friends. So that's literally gonna be my night. And I think I have a FaceTime with Bailey later. But that's gonna be it for this vlog. I don't know why I keep sticking my foot up. My tongue is burnt from my ramen. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, definitely leave me a comment saying, I literally can't come up with anything. Just comment the noodle emoji if you stayed till the end, because I really want to know how many people actually stayed till the end. Subscribe and press that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. I'm doing way more vlogs now and really just showing the details of my life 3 times a week. So stay tuned for that. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.